Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see 3 methods to create a professional PowerPoint presentation in just few minutes using ChatGPT. Let's say you want to create a presentation on how to become a data analyst. For this, first go to chatgpt.com and log in with your credentials. Now in this chat box, let's type create actual content for a PowerPoint presentation with 7 to 8 slides showing the roadmap to becoming a data analyst, where each slide should have a minimum of 3 bullet points. And you see that ChatGPT has provided us with this nice content having 8 slides. Now from this content generated by ChatGPT, we will create PowerPoint presentation using 3 different methods. Let's start with the first method, using online version of Microsoft Word. For this, copy the content generated by ChatGPT. Go to office.com website and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, select MS Word from the left sidebar menu. Now click on the Create a New Document. And paste the content provided by ChatGPT in this document. Now go to File menu and select Export. So do you notice this Export to PowerPoint presentation option? And this is the reason why we used the online version of MS Word, because it has this export to PowerPoint presentation option, which is not available in the desktop version of MS Word. Let me open the installed MS Word application. And notice that export to PowerPoint presentation is not available. But don't worry, in the next method we will see how to create PPT using this desktop version of MS Word in a different way. Alright, coming back to online version of MS Word. Click on this. A dialog box will appear asking you to select the slide template. Browse through the available templates. You can also click on this See More Themes option to load more templates and choose the template that suits your presentation style. Then click on Export. And here we go. Our PowerPoint presentation is ready. Wonderful. Now click on Open Presentation and glance through the entire PPT, perform sanity check and make sure if everything is okay. It looks like the title and content of the first slide are split across 2 slides. Let's combine them by copying the title into the second slide and then removing the first slide. Alright, the current version of PPT which you see is online version of PPT. If you save it using this option, it will be saved and remain in online version only. Instead of that, click on this Download a Copy option to save the PPT on your computer's downloads folder like this. Once download is complete, click on this Open File hyperlink. This will open PPT using desktop version of PowerPoint on your computer. If you prefer to save your presentation file in a different location, just press F12 key, specify the location and suitable file name. Let's put data analyst and click on save. Alright, now let's move to the second method where we will create a PPT using outline view in MS Word. For this, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Go to the View tab and click on Outline in the Views group. Copy the slide content from the ChatGPT and paste into this Word document. Here we need to make the slide headings as level 1 and bullet points as level 2. Press and hold the Ctrl key. Select all the slide headings and set them to level 1. But here you won't notice any change since the headings were already at level 1. Similarly, select all the slide content and set them to level 2. And set them to level 2. Once completed, save the Word document by choosing a location and a file name. Let's name it as data analyst _ outline. Now switch to PowerPoint on your computer. Go to the File menu and click on New Blank Presentation. In this blank PPT, under Home tab, click on the New Slide drop-down and select Slides from Outline option. Browse to the location of your saved Word document, select it and click on Insert. Oh, this error message is saying to close the Word document before inserting. So let's close the document and now try inserting it again. Wonderful! PowerPoint is creating slides based on the outline structure from the Word document. Once completed, review your slides and make any necessary adjustments to the formatting or content. There is one extra blank slide at the start, so let's remove it. You can also go to the Design tab and choose a theme as per your preferences. Alright, once done, save the presentation, choose a location, file name and click on Save. So, our PPT is ready using the second method. Let's close these PPT files and move on to the third and final method where we will ask ChatGPT to generate VBA code to create a PowerPoint presentation. Go to ChatGPT and enter the following text. Please write a VBA code to create a PowerPoint presentation having the slides as mentioned in the previous question. Once generated, copy this VBA code, open a blank PowerPoint presentation, go to the Developer tab, click on Visual Basic, or you can press Alt F11 to launch the VBA editor. In this VBA editor, right-click and select Insert Module to create a new module. In this module, paste the generated VBA code and now press F5 key or this button to run the code. This will instantly create the PowerPoint presentation with the specified slides and content like this. As earlier, review the created slides to ensure everything is correct. You can further customize the PPT as per your preferences. Finally, save the presentation by choosing a location and a file name. And that's it. Your PowerPoint presentation is ready in few minutes using different methods. Please let me know in the comment section which method you like the most. Finally, one last thing I want to highlight. You must be thinking that why can't we directly copy each slide's content from ChatGPT and paste it in the PowerPoint manually instead of these methods? So you can very well do the same, but if the number of slides is large, then copying and pasting each slide manually won't be effective. And with this, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Please remember to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning. Thank you very much.